I welcome you back again to our training. And in our previous video, we learned how to create our SBA subject sheets. So we have able to create we have created 10 subject sheets for all the subjects. Now in this video, we are going to deal with the terminal report analysis sheet. So with this terminal report analysis sheet, the information that we are going to use to design this are all the information that we are going to find, or we are going to see them when we design or when you create your terminal report. So with this one, we call it terminal report analysis sheet. So every information that the terminal sheet entails, that every feature that's found in the terminal report card will be represented here. So we need to create a new sheet. So we are going to create a sheet. So we go to the plus sign here and create a new blank sheet. A new blank sheet for this information or this activity. So let's rename it and give it TR analysis. TR analysis. Okay, this one will be working. Then let's try to give it a color. The reason why I always give color is because to make them nice, attractive. So we are going straight. So the first is the ID. Then you have the student name, the name of student, name of student, then the class. After that, the house or the section. So let me use the section. Then number on row, number on row. Then you have the date. Okay, so the date will not come here. Okay, the number on row, then the term will be needed here. Then the attendance, then total ATT attendance. Then you go to, now we are going to represent all the subjects here. So what you need from the subject sheet, we need the class and the exam score, the class score, the exam score, and the total, then the position, the grade, and the remarks. So we are going to enter 5 different items for each of the subjects. So the first one is I think we used English. English was first, so English. Then below the English, let's enter class score. So that's the 30% class score. Then exams score, that is 70% exam score. Then the total score, the total score for English. Then you go to the position is subject. From position in subject, then you go to the grade, and the lastly is the remarks. So with this, we are going to do the same thing for the other 9 subjects. So to make it simple, let's copy the whole area here. Let's select the whole area here and you can Control C. Control C to copy. Okay. Okay, so you are going to select the whole area. Then Control C. Then you paste them 9 times. Paste them 9 times. So you select this one and paste 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Good. So you have created the 9 sessions added to the first one. Then after the 9 sessions, then you go to the grand total. That is the total for all the 9 subjects. So call it grand total score. Grand total score. Then you go to position in class. Now the first one was position in subject, but this one is positioning in class. Then you go to the head teacher. The head teachers remarks. Then class teacher. Class teachers remarks. Then from the class teacher remarks, go to conduct. The conduct or the attitude of the child. Then the child's interest. Then you go to the section. Okay, we already have the section there. Then then you go to the grades, subject grade, list of subject grades. So we are going to have grade of all the 10 subjects here. So you see English is first. So English grades. English grade. The reason why we are creating this one is we are going to use this section to calculate the aggregate. So if you don't need the aggregate, if you are not going to do the aggregate, that means you don't need this section that we are doing. So you need it if you want the aggregate. So we have the English aggregate, then maths. I think it's science or maths. Okay, let me enter the subjects. Maths grades. Then science grade. And which one again? Okay, then Ghana language. History. Computing. pardon me. Oh, acts. Then the last one is P. Then you get the aggregate. Good. So these are what you are going to, or what we need. If there's anything that we need again, you just add them. So now we are going to edit them. So you are going to open some cells and also close some cells. But before that, let's select the whole range of cells here. The last, then you merge. You wrap the text. It's very important. You're going to wrap the text. Then after that, we insert a row. Then you merge the row to merge the row, but we're not going to center, so you just merge cells. Then you enter or give it a heading as terminal report analysis. Okay, terminal report analysis. Okay, then let's try to open this side too. Okay, so this one, let me push it. Okay, this is too much. Then let me add okay, so let me try and add some color to it. Now the class, okay, the class is okay. Number of row, this one is okay. Term, okay. Then I think we need to center align, and sorry, middle align rather, to make it nice. Middle align, then center align. Okay. So to have this whole area, you merge it. You merge and center, then you keep bolding it. Okay, so let's bolding all. So we are still with the editing, so I want everyone to follow along. It's very easy. It's something not something which is difficult. So the next subject was what was it? Okay, it was maths. So let's enter maths. Then we merge the cell. So as you can see, we are designing it and making some editing. So the next one is science. Emergence center. Then the second one emergence center, and it is Ghanaian language. What am I doing? Okay. So the next one is second language. You have history, and we have computing. Then emergence center. RME. P. So now we are through with this. Then grand total score, emergence center, positioning class. Let's try to adjust it a little. Try to merge down here in center. So the class teacher's remarks, it will be a long test, so you need to open it wide enough so that all the tests will be visible. Then the head teacher's remarks to the same thing. Let's merge. This system needs much time, so anytime you are designing or you are working on it, you need to take your time and work on it very well, or else you make some petty mistakes which will make your system look bad and people not patronize it. Okay, I think let me copy everything. Let me cut this area here. Let me cut them and paste them here. That'll be okay. Good. To save out those hectic. Okay, I'm still editing. Don't mind me what I was saying. I'm still editing. So okay, so we now have everything intact. So what you have to do now is to add colors. So in no time I'll end the lesson and give you time to add your colors, to beautify it and to make it more attractive. So I'll end here so that in the next video we continue with the formulas and other functions that we need to enter in this system. God bless you, and we shall meet another time. Bye bye.